do modeling on computers. Okay, so we take a piece of material and we look at it very, very closely. Okay, that means at the smallest possible scale, and then we try to study how different substances, materials behave. So what I'm going to show you first is there is a projectile, and that's going to hit a target. And then you will see what happens at the smallest level, okay? So that's the projectile. And these are all atoms, okay?
Wow. Wow. You can see it.
So with this, we can tell, by looking at things like this, we can tell, for example,
Ooh.
if something, these are atoms, okay?
That's neat.
So by doing this, okay, by running these things on very large computers, we can tell how, for example, things will break, okay? If, for example, something hits a plane, how will the plane disintegrate, okay? Or if something hits a bridge, how the bridge will fail,